Okay, today we are going to do the paper lead transfer of your photo onto this bigger piece of paper. We are going to transfer it 4 times. So I want you to divide your paper into fourths. It's easier just to fold it. And then we're going to use that ruler to kind of draw those straight lines. So make sure you draw your ruler kind of along that crease. Hold your pencil or your ruler down flat when you draw that line, so it doesn't move. Okay, to do a pencil lead transfer, you are going to take your photo and you're going to turn it over. And you can kind of put it on top of your paper so you can see where the outline of your face is. And then you are going to take the flat side of your pencil. So you're gonna see kind of where the pointy side is and the flat side. And you are going to get that lead all over the back. You wanna make sure that you have it completely colored in. And this takes a little bit of time, but what it does is it makes your pencil nice and sharp for the next part. So I'm gonna pause it there and show you what we do next. Okay, so now that it's completely covered in and I have this kind of all filled in, I'm gonna give you a piece of tape. And this is a different one that I did. And you are going to tape it into one of those squares. And I've already done one. So you can tape it. There's a little bit of space there for you to tape. The next step, you're gonna use the pointy side, and if you need to sharpen this again, you can, but you wanna make sure it's nice and sharp. And you are going to carefully go over all of the lines that you can see. So even like some of these lines that overlap each other, like even around his fingers, and then there's a line here, around the clothing. Sometimes I go over line twice just in case I forget. And then parts of the nose. The eyes are kind of tricky because sometimes you can't see all of those. And what that does is it pushes the lead down onto your paper and it transfers it lightly. You can kind of see I started that one. The tape is good so that you can look up and check it out and then put it back down exactly where it was. This one I did already and you can see it looks pretty good. Once you have that done, you'll be able to take a fine point Sharpie and trace over that so that you see those lines. I want to point out that the eyebrows and the hairline, the eyebrows, the eyes, you're tracing that shape. You're not necessarily tracing all the little teeny lines. And then we're going to add color to these in interesting ways, and we'll talk about that next time. That's it.